Hello friends, I already shared with you this PDF file of my notes on the module fuels and combustion. Here I am going to explain some difficult terms related to this module. This module is of 6 hours and will give you about 24 marks with option in your final exam. And in this particular mini lecture, I am going to discuss about first point, that is define and classify fuels, and then we are going to know about units of heat. So let's get started. So what is fuel? Fuel is a combustible substance containing carbon as a main constituent, which on proper burning gives large amount of heat, which can be used economically for domestic or industrial purpose. Or in other words, is any substance used to produce heat or power by combustion we can call as fuel. So fuel is a combustible substance containing carbon as main constituent, which upon proper burning gives a large amount of heat. And combustion means chemical process where reaction of substance with oxygen takes place, which converts the chemical energy into heat and light. Or similar term we can say, that is burning. So after combustion or burning of fuel, we'll get large amount of heat. Such substance we can call as fuel. So here you can see in these reactions, fuel plus O2 gives combustion product plus heat. Let's see, carbon plus oxygen gives CO2 plus this much amount of heat. When you burn hydrogen in presence of oxygen, gives H2O plus this much amount of heat. Let's go for the next classification of fuel. Fuels are classified based on their occurrence into primary or natural fuels and secondary, that is secondary or derived fuels. Primary, that means these fuels which are exist in nature in their natural form. Such fuels we can call natural or primary fuels. Secondary, that means fuels which are synthesized from naturally occurring primary fuels or which are derived from primary fuels. Such fuels we can call as secondary or derived fuels. Further, we can classify them as based on their state of aggregation as solid, liquid and gaseous. Some examples for primary fuels are wood, peat, coal, cow dung, etc. For liquid primary fuels, crude oil. For gaseous primary fuel, that is natural gas. And examples you can see for secondary or derived fuels. In case of solid, secondary fuels, coke, charcoal, petroleum, etc. Liquid secondary fuels like kerosene, diesel, petrol, fuels which we can obtain from crude oil. And then gaseous secondary fuels like coal gas, water gas, oil gas, biogas, which we can derive from primary natural fuels after processing. Now let's discuss about units of heat. Units of heat. Two of the main units we are going to use in this module mainly are calorie and kilocalorie. Calorie, what it means? It is the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water to 1 degree centigrade. That amount of heat we called as 1 calorie unit. 1 kilocalorie means it's the quantity of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram of water through 1 degree centigrade. This is unit of metric system and it is equal to 1000 calories. That means 1 kilocalorie is equivalent to 1000 calories. There are other units of heat as well, which we are not going to use in this module. Some of them are British thermal unit and centigrade heat unit. So that's it for now. See you next time.